welcome to ET Garage. Today's video is going to be about more problems with the new build. Alright, looks like I'm having more problems with the new build. One problem I had is I found some coolant leaks in the, which really didn't have anything to do with the build. It was like pinholes in the heater, the coolant lines that run to the heater core. Of course, it had to happen now, right? Anyway, I fixed those, so that's taken care of. And another problem I had is, if you've seen in my last video where I repaired the spark plug, the reason I had the spark plugs out is I was checking the plug readings and the cylinders, and one of the cylinders, cylinder number 1, is blowing oil. I don't know if it's a ring seal problem or a valve seal problem. I'm going to have to diagnose that later. But it's not like smoking bad. It's only like if I'm cruising down the interstate and blip the throttle, I'll let out a lot of smoke. And it seems like it's like the first 500 miles, it didn't seem like it did it, and then all of a sudden it started doing it. So I don't know, something happened during that 500 miles or what, but the more I drive it, it seems like the less it does it, unless it's burning oil. So I'm going to have to do some tests to figure that out. And but in the meantime, I'm going to take a break, just a break from working on it, and I'm going to keep driving it and see if it gets any better. Maybe it just, the rings need to seat better in that one cylinder. If I'm lucky, that's all it is. So I'm going to put like at least another 1,000 miles on it and see where it goes from there. And if I don't see an improvement, then I'm going to pull the valve cover and the spark plugs and start doing some tests and see if I can determine what the problem is. In the meantime, there is a test and tune coming up at the local drag strip this Saturday. Looking at the weather, it might get rained out, so that might get blown all to hell. I still plan on some road trips, whether this thing's burning oil or not. It ain't too bad. Like I said, it's not too bad. It just seems like sudden accelerations. Like at idle, it's not smoking. Just cruising, it's not smoking. It seems like when sudden bursts. So I'll have to figure that out. And I want to take, so I have some road trips I planned to do last year, like out to the Air Force Museum and then down to the Corvette Museum from there, and to another load down to Tail of the Dragon. I still want to do that, and the weather's getting nice. It got late in the year last year, and there was all sorts of hazardous weather reports, and all winter there's been hazardous weather reports. So the weather's clearing up, and today it's going to be 80 degrees, so I'm going to get the hood down and the top off and take this baby out for a drive and enjoy the nice weather. Like I said, it's going to be 80s today and tomorrow, and sunny, and next week drop back down in the 50s. So I will be doing some other events, whether I get this problem fixed or not. And hopefully I'll get good video of that and all that good stuff. So check back on the channel, and everybody have a great day, and God bless.